I'm recording 3 or 4 videos today, so off we go. Save the date, October 1st. A lot of launches are happening. Space NK is restocking. The Pip Box is restocking. Harrods is launching. Latest in Beauty is launching. Elle is launching. And also launching is the LookFantastic Beauty Chest. The LookFantastic Beauty Chest is a holiday special collection, a curation of full-size products that made its debut last year. It actually ended up more popular than the Advent calendar itself. And this year, the packaging looks like this. Now, I actually like this packaging more than that of the Advent calendar. You know, very nice, and you know, you can store things in it, and it's not as bulky as the Advent calendar. At the same time, it's more usable than the Advent calendar. So this year's beauty chest contains 11 products and costs £100 and apparently has a worth of £380. We'll find out if all that is true. So as I told you, launch date October 1st. Ships worldwide unless there are COVID restrictions owing to the absence of international flight paths or postal service problems. Now let's look at the products inside without further ado. The first product, Kevyn Aucoin, the Neo Blush. You get one blush in any of 3 shades. This retails at £31. The next product is a hair product. It is a Colour Wow Dream Coat Spray. 200 mils you get, and that retails at 25 quid. The next product is from NEOM. It is a scented candle, 185 grams. As you can see, I have used up so much here. There's so much to go. Now this is 185 grams. This is the exact size that you will be getting. For reference, I've got diptyque berries here, the usual size that they give you in GWPs and Advent calendars. Yeah. Now, this is the standard size and it retails at £32. Super size is 420 grams and that retails at 46 quid. Now I've been using this for more than a month now and it's still, you know, there's about half left. So I suppose, you know, 420 grams of a candle should probably last months and months, you know. So compared to diptyque berries, the usual 35 gram, this is what you get, 185 grams, yeah? Now, I'm not usually a fan of NEOM Organics, but I really like the scented candle. I think their candles are the best products. Right, the next product is from Elemis. It is the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream with SPF 30. You get 30 mils and that retails at 55 quid. 50 mils retails at 87 quid. The Elemis cream unfortunately contains shea butter, so if you're somebody who avoids shea butter in your skincare, keep that in mind, please. The next product is from Lom. No, thankfully, not the cleanser, although that packaging actually reminds you of the cleanser, doesn't it? You get the Rescue Mask, which is 100 mils and retails at £55. Now, this contains honey and kaolin clay and is oil-free and apparently helps with breakouts. So if you have mask acne, this is a good product. Which is great because unlike that cleansing balm of theirs, you know, which actually causes a lot of breakouts for me. The next product is from Origins. It is the GinZing Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and DePuff. You get 15 mils, which is the full size, and that retails at £23. Next, you have the Espa Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser, 100 mils you get, and that retails at 32 quid. This is a fast cleanser. It contains jojoba oil and pumpkin enzymes. The next product is from Aurelia. It is the Cell Repair Night Oil, 30 mils you get, which retails at 38 quid. 50 mils retails at 62 quid. While this is a very popular facial oil, unfortunately it contains wheat germ, and if you are allergic to wheat, you might want to avoid this. The next product though is a favorite of mine. It is from Pai. It is the Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil, and you get 30 mils, which retails at £24. Currently it is on sale for £16.80. This is an excellent oil for acne prone skin, for acne scars, for hyperpigmentation. It does a good job. This is my second bottle. I have actually included this among my empties, I think, you know, a long time ago. But yeah, this is my second bottle of this. And you know, I actually finished up a mini that I got with a Beauty Expert collection. This is my second full-sized bottle of this. I really like this facial oil. If there's one facial oil that I would use, you know, and not break out, it is this one. And then there is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. the 5 shadow one. Yeah, this is the size that you get. That is the pan size. Very, very nice. Now, selection of shades, I can't tell you which one you will be getting exactly. This retails at £41 and is made in Italy. And although the packaging may look a bit cheap, it's actually quite sturdy and heavy. If you haven't tried Natasha Denona eyeshadows, this is a good chance. Finally, we have the iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Lovestruck, which is actually quite pale. 5 mils you get, and that retails at £19. So 3 makeup products, 1 hair care product, the rest are skincare or lifestyle, you know, candle. I mean, how do you count a candle, eh? So let's total those retail prices. 31, that is the Kevyn Aucoin blush. Color Wow hairspray 25, NEOM candle 32, Elemis Pro-Collagen 55, Eve Lom Rescue Mask 55, Origins Eye Cream 23, Espa Cleanser 32, Aurelia Night Oil 38, Pai Rosehip Oil 24, Natasha Denona Palette 41, Iconic London Lip Gloss 19. Together they add up to £376 and you pay 100 quid for this. What do I think of the curation? I think this curation is actually nicer than the Advent calendar because, you know, in terms of the total number of products, I agree the Advent calendar definitely has 25 products. This is only 11. But remember, the Advent calendar only has 8 full-size products. This one has 11 full-size products. So you're saying, all right, just 3. What's the difference? Here's the thing. If you have 3 full-size products that you can't use, yeah, in both, you get only 5 full-size products that you can use in the Advent calendar. Whereas here you get 8 full-size products that you can use. So, you know, remember to look at the full-size products that you can use to add the prices of those full-size products alone and see if they exceed 100 quid. If so, this is worth getting. Remember to do that. That Advent calendar was missing an exciting product such as, you know, Natasha Denona palette. And I like the skincare choices. Pai Rosehip Oil is a product that I love, as I've shown you. Eve Lom Rescue Mask, ideal for acne prone skin. Origins refreshing eye cream, a very, very iconic eye cream there. I am not as excited about the iconic lip gloss, nor can I use the Elemis marine cream shea butter there, nor can I use the Aurelia night oil because, you know, wheat. So the important question here is, will I be getting it? Because, you know, I think that this is a question that everybody should address when they are featuring a product. Because if I'm not going to buy, I can't, you know, push a product on you and say, buy, buy, buy. You know, this is amazing. Yeah, while I think this is a nice curation, here's the thing. I have 3 of these products already. I've just shown you, yeah? Natasha Denona palette. You may say that I may not have the exact shade, but how do I know? I may end up getting the same shade. Now, this is shade number 4. It's very, very neutral, as I've shown you. So what if I get another shade number 4, yeah? 3 products already there out of 11, yeah? And I can't use the Aurelia Night Oil because of wheat. It will give me hives and possibly even angioedema, which is not what you want during a pandemic. Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream Shea Butter. I already have maskne here. And, you know, I'm not excited about that iconic London gloss. So 6 products there that I either already have or can't use. So for 5 products, I don't feel like forking this out. However, if you are looking for a nice beauty curation, a nice holiday gift set or something to treat yourself, and you can use the vast majority of these products, you don't have a problem with wheat in your skincare, you don't have a problem with shea butter, then, you know, this is a very, very good curation. I actually like this more than the Advent calendar, as I said. I think that the inclusion of Natasha Denona palette was a very good idea. So to the Kevyn Aucoin blush. I think we have been seeing very, very few exciting makeup products to play with in this year's Advent calendars and curations. I would recommend it, but I can't buy it because I already have 3 products and can't use another 2. I mean, you can expect 1 or 2 duds in these, you know, so, you know, if I didn't have these products, I wouldn't have minded not being able to use 2 or even 3 products because it's still worth the price. Now, LookFantastic also currently has a Celebration of Beauty box which contains 8 products which apparently are worth £128. These include the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, 25 quid, that is 100 mils. MAC Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Chili, which retails £12 apparently. Let's not count it, it's a mini lipstick. Origin's GinZing Tinted Moisturizer SPF 40, which is worth 29 quid. Glam Glow Supermud Mask. There's a product that I'm sure most of us are, not very excited about. I mean, Glam Glow was huge when it came out, I think 2016? No, 2015? Can't remember. 2015, I think it was. Yeah, now everybody's over Glam Glow. Bumble and Bumble Preta Powder, that is apparently worth 10 quid. Smashbox, the original photo finish foundation primer. Smashbox primers are my holy grail primers. Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion Mini, £9. Apparently the worth is Too Faced Mini Lip Injection Extreme. Why are we seeing so many Too Faced Lip Injection Extremes recently? This was a product that came out, I think, in 2014 or so, or 13 was it? I can't remember when it came out, but when I got a Too Faced Lip Injection as a gift with purchase, it was, I think, 2014 or so. By then it was quite old already, and then I had an allergic reaction to it. So yeah, not a fan of seeing this product. Now this one is priced at 89 quid, and of the two I definitely prefer the Beauty Chest. So those are my thoughts on the LookFantastic Beauty Chest. What do you think of this curation? Will you be getting it? Do you think that this is actually nicer than the Advent calendar? Do you agree with me, or do you think that the calendar is better? So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, please do hit the subscribe button, please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.